Well, hey there, I am Paola of PaolaPonceNails.com, your source for all things Japanese soft gel nail education. Today we're going to be doing a super fun unboxing of my latest Kokoist Nail Haul, and I do want to let you know that next month, November 7th and 8th, we have an upcoming Kokoist gel nail certification. If you want to get certified in Kokoist Japanese gel, make sure to check out the links down in the description box below, including the current class details and enrollment. Enrollment officially opens October 17th, so you can start checking out the details. Or if you just want to stay up to date on the latest on the class and, see if it's for you, make sure you sign up for our waitlist. Okay, we do send a lot of cool little updates through that. So with that being said, let's get started. Check out this really cool, sturdy, nice box. I did place an order just based on a lot of the items also that we're going to need for our upcoming certification. So you'll be able to see them here. First off, cute little note here, a thank you note. It says here, Kokoist is a Japanese gel that uses cosmetic grade ingredients. Our gels are 9 free, meaning they are made without the 9 toxic chemicals: toluene, DPD, formaldehyde resin, camphor, ethyl tosilamide, parabens, triphenol, phosphate, and xylene, so that you can feel confident about the products you use. Woo woo. All right, we have the latest products guide, volume 8. So they do update this every time they get a new product. And here are all the colors. There are 2.5 grams of color per jar, and they are $9.80 a piece. And again, that's their little latest volume. Let's get through some of this packaging material. All right, where do we begin? So again, a lot of these items I'm going to be using for our upcoming Kokoist certification. So I thought, why not open this up with you? I've been wanting to get a soft dust brush, and what better than to get one that is Kokoist branded. Look how cute this is. So these are not disinfectable. I like to use these more for glitter or pigments. So if you do chrome pigments and all that and you need to just dust the nail off, this is so soft. I want to put this on my face. It's so soft. Okay, we got a Menta pump here. Again, it's Kokoist branded. I'll be using this for my 90% alcohol. More packaging material. Next, we have some buffers and nail files. Okay, let me just grab my little tool here to open something up. Oh yeah, these are brushes that I ordered. I own a lot of Kokoist, but surprisingly, I don't own the entire line. Nicely secured. All right, always make sure you check thoroughly because everything's so neatly and nicely wrapped. You don't want to leave anything behind. I literally almost left my little tool here out. Okay, so this right here is a stir stick, and theirs is like a needle base, so, or a needle style of stir stick. And when it's a needle stick, you can actually use it for a couple different things. So yes, you can use it to stir your color and minimally get product on the stir stick, not overwhelm or waste. But also this needle point is great because when you messed up and you've got messed up and you've gotten product on the skin, well, you can actually come with this, make sure it's clean, but there's no gel product on this, and you can just kind of clean up wherever you've got gel on the skin. So that's pretty cool. There's a clear one and a pink one. I went ahead and got the clear one. Okay, next up, of course, a quality Kokoist gel brush, and this is the thin round. Super cool. And we got a stone pusher. So these are for personal use. They're not disinfectable. They cannot be soaked into the cold sterilization, so like your barbicide. And so these are great for personal use. They're like a little pumice stone type material there. All right, this was just packaging. Let's go ahead and open this little box here. I think these are gel colors that I needed. Don't quote me. Ooh. Oh, actually, these are very nice. These are top coats. I think I got an extra one here. I don't remember ordering two, so that means I'm going to be giving away one in my class. Let's see. I'm not trying to cut myself here on camera. Sorry for all the extra noise. Beautiful. Ow, it's stuck. All right, 2 stain barrier non-wipe top gels. If your gels get stained, or you get hair dye or the dye from your jeans onto your nails, and you see that sort of like black tip syndrome, that's why they created this stain barrier non-wipe top gel. Very cool. I was a little low on, oops, excuse me. Okay, bonding duo. This is like the El Duo Dinámico bonding duo in a bottle and mega stick base soft gel. Really cool for quick services, or if you're DIY and you are still practicing control with potted gel, then brush on gel's the way to go. This one, bonding duo in a bottle, is both base and builder. It wears a little bit more like a hard gel. It does have to apply very thick, or relatively thick. And then this is a soft gel texture base gel with high adhesion to the nail, no bonder primer needed. And this one is really good also to stick on your full coverage tips. All right, so these are my colors. Cute little wrapping there. Maybe I won't need my opening tool. I know this kind of hurts my heart tearing through this stuff. Gotta be done though. Alright. Oh, everything else I need. I was running out of this, so I had to kind of restock. And this was essentially what I was doing with this order. Restocking on all the things that I was missing. Oh, just love the details of packaging here. Alright, so Excel Builder. This is the 20 grams. This is their soft builder gel. But it has is soak off. That's what I mean by soft gel, but it's a semi-hard texture consistency. Platinum bond duo in a pod, mega stick base soft gel, and 3 colors that I was missing: eggplant navy, dazzling charcoal, black sands beach glass, city gray, and deep papaya. Super fun. All right. I don't know, do you guys want to see the colors that I ordered? Why not, right? Okay, I'm going to get this box out of the way now. And these are super cool because they'll have a little thing for you here to open them. Oops. All right. And you know, just pop it open. I don't usually do that back on there just because I don't like to make my jar all messy. And since I only use my colors for demo anyways, you know, I'm not gonna go through it like super fast anyways. But if you like to take your stir stick and try to get some more product back on there, by all means. So you really cannot tell the color of this on the jar, but you can tell here on the sheet what is it. It's like I really needed a nice navy blue, so I got this eggplant navy. Next step, make sure I don't make a big mess here. Okay. I got the Dazzling Charcoal. Again, now I have the whole collection swatched. Also, if you're interested in our certification, make sure to get in because we have a special class code for you to use on products so that you can get your early Black Friday shopping, because Kokoist, I hate to give you some FOMO, but Kokoist is known to sell out for Black Friday. So by joining our class, you will also be getting kind of like early access to that sale. Super exciting. Not that that's the only reason why you should join. We're gonna have a lot of fun and you're gonna learn a lot, but definitely a big plus. Okay, because when you know how to use the products, you are more inclined to buy more of them, because now they're not just gonna sit in your shelf or in your drawers. You're gonna know exactly how to use them. 89 City Gray. Let's dig in here. I might have ruined this. Oh, here we go. Again, I just think it's too messy to put all of this back, so I don't. But you can use this to swatch. If you're swatching, use what's on the lid to swatch. It just gets too messy for me, and I like to keep this area of my gels clean, and so I don't even do that anymore. Okay, it's a nice, solid, like real gray. This is like your true gray here. Okay, almost there. 2 more colors. Black Sands Beach Glass, 133 is the number. Pop it open. Oh, nice. So when you see a glass word in the title, that means it's going to be translucent. So that's exactly what this is, a translucent gray, right? Which almost makes it like a black, right? Like a see-through black. So Black Sands Beach Glass. Okay, so these I just needed, I didn't have. And then Deep Papaya. This one is going to be for one of our arts demos in our certification. Okay, let me pop this open. Oh, it's a beautiful, literally mustard yellow, unless you like your mustard a little bit more orange, but I think this is literally a mustard yellow. It's beautiful, nice and pigmented. All right, and they have this little ledge here where you can kind of like wipe your brush of excess. Beautiful. 2.5 grams, $9.80 per color. The bang for the buck, guys, as far as Japanese gel nail colors. Okay, and then again, this is a 4 gram, and a 20 gram. Platinum Bond Duo, Mega Stick Base, and I always stock up on more of my builders, so I went for the big size. Okay, last but not least, excuse me here, I recently also ordered or received actually the Kokoist Intro Kit, and it has pretty much, not even gonna lie, everything you need for our upcoming certification. So I will be raffling this off. Yes, we will be doing a giveaway on this super handy intro kit in our upcoming free class on Kokoist. So if you want to get the free class, we won't be showing you technique, but more informational about Kokoist. Sign up to the waitlist. That is where you're going to get all the details on the free upcoming Kokoist class that I'm going to do in about a week and a half. But remember, our certification opens up October 17th, and I'll try to link you to the details in the description box. If not, sign up for the waitlist. All the details come in through there. Okay, so you get 4 files, everything you need here to get going. 1 sponge buffer and a round brush. Really like the round brush. I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of long, bristled, and you can use it for base or builder. It works great for both. If you're a detailer, you know, if you paint details, this thin liner, short thin liner, great for that. I actually don't do a lot of that, so I do prefer a long firm liner. You'll get Mega Stick base, 4 grams of it. You'll get, this should be like, not even kidding, an award-winning top coat, ultra glossy non-wipe top coat. Superb. My favorite top coat. And then we had 4 colors, and all of these 4 colors we're going to use in your certification. So that's Rouge Red, Bluey White, Black is Black, and Peanut Butter Toffee. Okay, so everything here, this, everything except maybe this, we're going to use a long liner. All of this you will need for your certification training. Check out all of the details in the description box below. I hope you enjoy our unboxing today, and I'll see you next week. Bye for now.